Hey guys, you got Chris here from Tiny Industrial, and today is the last day that I will be the owner of Little Wing, a previously reviewed tiny house. I wanted to take the opportunity to do a little video review today because there's been some pretty major changes to it, so stick around, we're going to do a tour. All right, so Little Wing conceptualized by this window. It was a window I had left over and it determined sort of the entire shape of the build. And as you can see now, this window has been fortified by a ton of black pipe. So a little bit of backstory. This structure is going to be parked somewhere in New York City, and it needs to kind of blend in with its rather urban environment. The idea was that this structure would kind of hide in plain sight. On top of it was the fact that it needed upgraded security as per the customer. So what I did and what they wanted was bars on the window. Yeah, that's right. Instead of just doing like something, you know, jail-like, I opted to use this amazing black pipe that I like to use, created this rather organic structure. You're gonna see some pictures from the inside. I think it looks cool on the outside. It's gonna rust. Why not? Doesn't matter. On the inside, it actually looks pretty good too. I'm thinking like you could even get some vines or something like that to crawl up the side of it. So follow me around to the other side where the other big exterior feature is. So come on along. On this side, all you really see is two wires coming off the top there, going into this little conduit, going in the side here. This is the addition of a 100-watt solar panel up on the roof, and the person buying it wanted it to charge, you know, when they're not there. Little Wing already had a 50 amp hour battery, so that is unchanged with the exception now that the solar is charging that battery. So in the back, we've got some upgraded security features. We've got these locks that go into the sides, and they actually nestle in there pretty tightly. That's an upgrade from the pins that were in there before. So let's go inside. Now, if you remember from Deke's amazing video of this space, there were two first-class airplane seats over where this video is being shot from right now. So now there is nothing there, a bunch of emptiness. On this side, where the video is being shot from, you used to have a big screen TV over here for the Netflix binge-watching aspect of this unit, hence the highly placed outlet here. Customer wanted a very empty and clean space, so that's what we have now. And as you can see, the window actually looks kind of cool with the black pipe, and not like a jail cell, I think. When you come down here, you see the solar charger right here. Right now we're a little low on battery because it's been sitting in the garage. We're down to 1 bar, but you also have a cigarette lighter port, and you've got the USB charge port for your phone, etc. Now, panning out a little bit, this window also needed to be fortified and secured. The issue with it was that it still needed to be, you still needed to be able to open it. So it clearly still opens, but security would have been a problem because the window opens to the outside, and if I'd done the same bar setup that I did over there, that would have gotten in the way of the window opening. So what I did instead is I took some basically bulletproof, this is like 18 gauge, I think, steel plate, and I put it on this track. It slides nicely in place, and then it locks by way of this pin mechanism right there. Can't be opened. So that is the security feature for that. Now on the back of the unit, obviously still has its back gate, the AKA porch, and that folds up as you can see down there with the nice high-end AstroTurf. That folds up and provides security for the back door. So the back door is completely covered. Those two big padlocks go in there, and then that's it. More videos to come, more exciting news to come. 2019 is going to be a big year for Tiny Industrial. We're putting out, it looks like 3 books next year. Yeah, I know, that's pretty fun. I'm gonna get better about putting up more videos. So please hit the subscribe button, like this video if you want to see more, and see you out there on the road, and happy tiny travels to y'all.